Time is precious, isn't it? As seniors, we are juggling so many things: family, hobbies, appointments, maybe even a part time gig or volunteering. But what if I told you there are simple ways to save time every single day? Today, we are diving into something super exciting: reclaiming your time. 5 time saving hacks for busy seniors. Because let's face it, life after 50 is a brand new chapter filled with endless possibilities, and we want to make sure you have the time to chase your passions, whether that is gardening, traveling, or just enjoying a good book with a cup of tea. These 5 hacks are practical, easy to implement, and designed just for us because we deserve more hours to do what lights us up. Hello, my beautiful Life After 50 community. Welcome back to Life After 50 with Ratna Jai. I'm Ratna and I'm so thrilled to be here with you today. If you are new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and join our vibrant family of seniors living life to the fullest. So grab a comfy seat, maybe a snack, and let's get started. Let's dive into the first hack. Hack number 1. Batch your task like a pro. Hack number 1 is all about batching your tasks. Now, what does that mean? Batching is grouping similar tasks together and tackling them all at once. It saves you from constantly switching gears, which can eat up your energy and time. For example, instead of running to the grocery store every other day, set one day a week, say for example Tuesday or Wednesday mornings, for all your shopping. Plan your meals for the week. Make a list and get it all done in one trip. This cuts down on travel time, parking hassles, and that "oh, I forgot the milk" moment. I do this with my emails too. Instead of checking my inbox every hour, I set aside 30 minutes in the morning and 30 minutes in the evening to read and respond to everything. It's like giving your brain a break from multitasking. Try batching things like paying bills, making phone calls, or even prepping meals. You'll be amazed at how much time you free up. And speaking of meals, that brings us to hack number 2. And hack number 2, embrace meal prepping. Okay, who else loves a home-cooked meal but doesn't want to spend hours in the kitchen every day? Meal prepping is a game changer for busy seniors. The idea is to prepare meals or ingredients in advance, so you are not starting from scratch every time you are hungry. On a Sunday afternoon, I like to spend a couple of hours chopping veggies, cooking a big batch of masala or curry sauce, and portioning it out into containers. That's way I have got lunches or dinners ready to grab and heat up all week long. Here is a tip. Invest in some food microwave safe containers. Glass ones are my favorite because they are durable and eco-friendly. You can also prep simple things like salads or smoothies. For example, chop your veggies like onions, tomatoes, and green chilies and store them in a container for the week. You can also pre-mix your spices like turmeric, cumin, and coriander for quick curry prep. Just toss them in a pan with some oil when you are ready to cook. It's fast, healthi, and saves tons of time. Plus, having everything prepped makes it easy to whip up to your favorite sabzi or dal. Ready for the next hack? Hack 3. Use technology to simplify your life. Now, I know technology can feel overwhelming sometimes, but trust me, it's like having a personal assistant in your pocket. Hack number 3 is all about using apps and tools to streamline your day. For example, I use a free app called Google Calendar to keep track of my appointments, birthdays, and even reminders to water my plants. You can set alerts so you never forget a doctor's visit or a coffee date with friends. Another lifesaver is grocery delivery apps. You order your groceries online and they are delivered right to your door. No more lugging heavy bags or waiting in line. If you are not sure where to start, ask a family member or friend to show you how to use one app at a time. It's easier than you think. And here is a bonus. If you love audiobooks or podcasts, you can listen to them while doing chores to make the time feel more enjoyable. Technology is your friend, my friends. Let's move on to hack number 4. Hack number 4. Declutter your space for a clear mind. Hack number 4 is one of my favorites. Declutter your space. A cluttered home can make you feel overwhelmed, and it takes time to find things when everything is a mess. I used to spend ages looking for my glasses or that one bill I needed to pay. So I started decluttering one small area at a time, like a kitchen drawer or my closet. The rule I follow is simple. If I haven't used it in a year, it's time to donate, recycle, or toss it. A tidy space saves you time because everything has a place. Try this. Designate a spot for your keys, phone, and wallet right by the door. Use baskets or boxes to organize paperwork or hobby supplies. And here is a little secret. Decluttering doesn't just save time. It lifts your mood and gives you more energy to focus on what you love. Now let's wrap up with our final hack. Hack number 5. Say yes to saying no. The last hack is a mindset shift and it's powerful. Learn to say no. As seniors, we often feel like we need to say yes to every family event, volunteer opportunity, or favor someone asks of us. But every time you say yes to something that doesn't light you up, you are saying no to your own time and passions. For example, I used to agree to every social gathering, even when I was exhausted. Now I ask myself, will this bring me joy? Does it fit with my priorities? If the answer is no, I politely decline and suggest another way to stay connected, like a quick phone call instead. Saying no gives you the freedom to say yes to what matters most. Whether that's painting, spending time with kids, or just relaxing with a good movie. Life after 50 is about living on your terms, so protect your time like the treasure it is. And there you have it, my friends. 5 time-saving hacks to reclaim your time and make every day feel a little lighter. Let's recap. Batch your tasks, embrace meal prepping, use technology to simplify your life, declutter your space, and don't be afraid to say no. These simple steps can give you hours back each week to pursue your passions and live your best life after 50. I want to hear from you. Which hack are you going to try first? Drop a comment below and let's keep this conversation going. If you love this video, give it a thumbs up, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Life After 50 with Ratna Jack for more tips to make life after 50 your most exciting chapter yet. Click that bell icon so you never miss a video. Until next time, keep shining, keep thriving. Bye. See you soon.